guys, it is like 2 days later. We bought these two bought a cast net without me even knowing I was gonna buy one. First cast, Brian here caught a fish. This season we only brought one fishing pool, but it did rain this morning. But yeah, I think the river from the last time we were here to now, even though it rained, I think it went down a good about a quarter inch maybe since then. And our goal today is to get most of the fish out of here and bring them all into our pond. Ben's gonna cast here and see if he works.
I'm gonna use from now on
Slim Jims. Even if we go fish at Mormon. Here's a spot. It's like right there where my finger's pointing. It's yeah.
Don't set it yet. Let him.
Okay. As soon as he tugs hard, set it. Keep your line tight.
Get it a little higher. Can I set it? No. Get back after.
There's bubbles like right there.
There's a bunch of bubbles.
Yeah.
But this may be a smaller one, so let him.
I don't think he's as strong, so he's not gonna get the bobber under
You
completely.
need that small one. You can see a bunch of little fish.
Jesus, yeah. The water's so clear today. I don't know. I don't think my camera's good enough to pick it up. Oh, right there. Yeah. Camera can see him. He's right there. Right there.
I'd say this is safe.
Set it.
Yep.
Oh, frick, got another one. Hey, holy damn.
Yeah.
Buckets right here. We have 2 buckets because we're planning on catching a lot of fish. I said it's cold today. And
Yeah, but well, it's shorter. It's not as late in the afternoon. Alright, want you to check that?
yep. Okay, Brian, you keep fishing. Or I guess you can come over here too. Okay.
I'm gonna do the first
wide
to use
zoom.
this thing. Hopefully I don't get this thing stuck.
Yeah, please don't lose it.
Wait, let me bait this up and put it in there. Make it on my wrist.
Oh heck, that's nice.
Yeah, most of them you have to make a knot to put on your wrist. $24. Don't know if it was worth it. Probably not the best quality,
Probably not the best quality, but if this thing works,
$24.
I'm thinking about getting one. Just to keep around here in case.
Yeah, okay.
There's a fish heading towards that, Brian.
Do you have a knife?
Yeah, I do have a knife.
Hey!
Hey, it's the...
No, I don't know. Brian, we might press that net right over there.
Jesus, they're monsters out
Cast
here.
net right there. You got Burton casting a knife? Come on.
I'm zooming in on a fish. It's in my front right pocket. It's like right... Where is my knife at? Did I seriously lose my flippin' knife? I lost my knife.
Give me the hook. I'll try and cut this damn zip tie.
If I can get this hook out of him. There.
Okay, well that's 3 small fish right now.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Freaking...
Let me do
Let me do something then.
Well, I'm gonna see if I can spot. Right there, you can see 2 fish on the camera. This is like an awesome day, like, to make the video because, that sounds like nice. I don't want to walk all the way over there though. Yes, I do. I do. Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna try and
Let's see if he can catch anything.
catch some. Ooh, that was right by a fish.
Oh, there it just went. Don't set it yet. Let him have it. Let him just play with it, have it.
Nope.
Okay, your line's tight. No. Oh. Dang it.
I didn't say that, ladies and gentlemen. I did not say that. That was not
What,
on
dang?
Yes, no, yes, you can.
Yeah. Just let him have it.
There's fish galore and they're biting good, but I think
Okay, he's taking it.
that's an alright creature.
Yeah. Okay. I try and set it.
Yeah, there's a fish on there.
I just set it down and let the. Oh, that's a nice sized one.
Yeah, that has to be pulling up that thing. You get the cast that thing?
Yep, I'm all ready.
Wait.
Well, I want to catch the damn fish first. Okay, you come up.
Oh yes, he got one.
Tiny fishy.
It's the same. Is that a
bluegill.
bluegill? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a little
Yeah.
bluegill. Yeah, heck yeah. I didn't know there was bluegill in here.
Yeah, me either.
All right.
Oh, shit.
You want me to take them off?
Nope, I got it.
$24 work right now.
Get them on.
Don't kill him. All
There you
right.
go. Okay, you want?
Okay, he took your shotgun, but I think they're all taking your shotgun. Yeah. Okay, here's your. Set it down. Wait a minute. I'm gonna run wide zoom here.
Ready? Nope.
You ready? Oh, that was kind of a sucky throw. Do I see fish? Did we get any? Do I see them?
Yeah. Yeah, you did.
On like the worst throw
Look at
ever, there's a fish.
Yeah. All right.
Ah,
Once more. Fine.
heck yeah.
Well, spin right there.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, no, I haven't even. I mean, I've seen people throw a cast net, like, and stuff, but. Okay, let's go. If you could do that and get it widespread, like the 4-foot spread that it is. Whew. Oh, that has to have at least 5 fish on it.
Oh, you got a little one. Nothing.
Yeah,
Can I try
nothing.
once more? I do.
Okay. Well, the bad thing is we've scared all the fish out of this spot,
Yeah.
so let's go up a little bit.
Yeah, try to get in the water fish.
Okay.
And I promise you can do this.
Let's get a big bass on this try, okay? I need a big bass, okay? Okay.
That was bad. I didn't get it open.
Yeah, but the one time you didn't get it open and you caught a fish. Anything in there?
Oh.
Caught a stick.
Don't. Like that.
Wait.
That better not.
Here, I'll get it. Okay, somebody else take the camera.
Finn, if you break this, I am gonna.
What the hell?
Yeah, pretty much.
Got that? Okay.
Yes, good.
Okay. Is that worth a
Let's
little bit
move
of water
it.
in my boot? I think so.
Here's the camera.
All right. Put that on your opposite throw, right?
You throw left?
And put it on the other end. How do you throw a ball? Left or right?
You throw right.
All right, then you're doing it right. Wait.
Ooh.
I need to get it in. There's something over there. I might take your rod. You take it. But
Can you hold it?
You need to pull this up.
Yeah.
Hold it
And
about
how
that.
heavy is that line?
I think
and is
80
it-
pounds. That's
No,
what-
it looks like you could just replace, like, if you rip your cast net, it looks like you could replace the cast net. No, that's just a swivel, never mind.
All right. Grab that and put it in there. This side.
It's kind of a hassle, because...
Brian, remember, when you go out like this, bring this something in. Let me get out of the way.
And pull...
Not the best, but none of us are going to be good at this.
No, not yet. Definitely not yet.
Oh, that got tangled up. Okay, can I throw it one more
That
time?
thing's is this usually this heavy, or is it water weight?
It's probably usually this heavy.
Where's the Slim Jim?
Oh, I don't know.
It
I
was
mean,
on there. You have
You
more
have any
Slim
more?
Jims, reckon?
Go. I so badly want to download a yeet sign, and every time that thing goes out, put a yeet sound to it. Nothing? Nothing. Dang it. If Ben would have got the first cast, if he would have got that first cast open all the way, we would have had like 10 fish. I've seen people pull up cast nets full of fish, and that's like one thing that I want to do eventually in my life.
Wait, can you hold it? About half of it?
Uh-huh. I would say we were going to do a cast net tutorial, but we're all kind of noobs at it and we all suck, so this is like what we know how to do a cast net. It's kind of funny, but yeah.
I cannot.
Okay. I'm gonna try it. So, you know, Ben, you're getting the cast net open pretty good. What is that? Is that a carp? Honestly,
I think it is.
I don't want to put him in our pond.
Yeah, let's put him in. Let's be nice.
It's a little cute carp. Just put him in small fish.
Yeah.
Bad throw. Bad throw. You just about caught me.
Yes. Woo! Caught a big fish. It's fresh. Wasn't even breaking.
Okay, that carp's causing troubles.
Why?
He's swimming around a whole bunch. Hey, knock it off. Knock it off, buddy. We're all friends here. Ooh, cast net. See, you're getting it open better.
You hear the little flipping of them. You want to throw it?
Yeah, I want to throw it.
Get through.
Camera's rolling. Okay, Brian cast it. We caught a sucker. We have two suckers. I think 2 bluegill. 2 suckers, 2 bluegill, some creek chubs, and something else. Ooh, a fish just jumped right there.
He kind of dropped in that.
Also, with my zoom on 5, my arm looks really long. Okay, your line is loose. Don't throw it that hard. 3. Yeah. problem with throwing it with two people is if you're out of coordinate a little bit. Okay, you can't see him, but he's right there. Yeah, it pulled over on itself, but it might have been open a little bit. Okay, 2 more throws, catch fish.
Hold it by the horn. Just do it. Now kick a little bit. Alright, there.
Also, this is what goes on behind the camera. I just sit here and most of the time record because I can't ever catch any fish. So,
Just throw it.
and I pick up. Sorry, guys. Wasn't the best.
So bad, want to catch a fish.
Have you not caught? You haven't caught a fish?
It's all okay.
He hasn't caught a fish.
Brian, don't go down there, tangled. There, I guess, yeah.
Well, I'll catch back up with you guys once somebody catches a fish. Okay, literally the cast after we managed to get it stuck, thanks to Brian. High five.
I don't know.
Just don't mess it up. There's, yeah.
I ain't giving up on
Okay, note to self, there's a tag here, so we don't want to throw the cast net here anymore. Cast nets are made for a big open, like, yeah, not small creek fishing, episode 3. Cast nets are not made for small creek fishing, episode 3. Or is this 4?
Alright, here we go.
I think it's 3. Okay. Okay, grab it. Get her.
Yeah, I got it.
Woo-hoo.
I'm coming across to you, Brian.
Will it pull right up? Luck has it won't. You want to go swimming? No, I don't have a wetsuit.
I might go in there.
How deep is it stuck on? Like, I can't.
I see it. Not.
Bad thing is the little tiny branches and stuff on sticks, they barb to it, kind of.
We get really lost under stick.
Well, I'm going to turn off the camera and help these guys for a little bit here. I'll turn the camera back on whenever I feel like it. Heck yeah! We got it out! Woo!
I'm just the fish, the fisherman with the rod.
Yeah, you're the rod guy. Yeah.
Me. I'm not even trusting myself.
Right there, you can see the stick, guys. I hate my camera because, like, this looks really weird before it focuses and stuff. This is a stick we used, but we better. Ooh! We better get. I think we're gonna cast it out a couple more times and then we'll probably pack up. Okay, well, I am at a better camera angle now. You catch something, Brian? No. I don't know how well you guys can hear them with the wind, because it's sorry guys if it's really didn't think of that, but it's windy today. So it's I don't know. The quality might not be that good, but oh well, alright. And I zoomed in there while I was talking. What? I really don't want to drop my camera right now. I mean, that could be.
Would you dive in?
Yes, I would. I definitely would.
We can just see you.
If I drop it, I'm diving in. Well, if I drop it and it's like right here, as soon as it gets like right here, oh, I missed the gas. As soon as it gets like right here, where my hand is, I'm gonna dive the frick in and hopefully catch the thing. Cause I could swim. I mean, my lighter might not work then, but like if I swim, thing win. Yeah, my lighter don't like to work. Never really recorded from this spot, but this is gonna be a long video to edit. I'm gonna say that right now. You got a fish? He caught a fish. He caught a fish. Did he catch a fish? I think he caught a fish. Did catch a fish, catch a fish, catch a fish. Sorry for the camera moving around so much, guys. It's just like. You guys want to rip that stick out of there? Because that's the third time gotten caught on that stick, but. I couldn't do it by myself when I tried because I was just sliding. We got a big creek chub. We got a big creek chub.
And we got a little baby catfish.
The bigger ones are always softer.
They have more slime.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
And we got a baby catfish off camera, which is nice.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have any more Slim Jim left. So.
If we were doing survival camping, we would be eating. I have like 5 Slim Jims, 2 left, I think.
Okay. Let's just pack it up.
Yeah, we're packing up. I'll catch you guys at the. What's the tip?
If you're ever fishing for little fish, try using sour gummy worms.
Yeah, sour gummy worms. They work.
Yeah.
We didn't use them today.
We were at Harlan and
Yeah, we went to
packed
Harlan.
some sour gummy worms and
Actually, we didn't even have the channel created when we went to Harlan. Otherwise, yeah, that would have been a good fishing trip. Yeah, we only caught little bait fish. I didn't catch any fish. Well, I'm gonna grab the bucket. I'll catch you guys at the pond and see you guys then. You going?
Yep. So we're at the pond and there's a little
sucker right
sucker.
there. Sucker number.
We got 2 of them.
One sucker.
There he goes.
I'm gonna grab one.
Oh.
Creek
Okay.
chub, 1 creek chub.
Is that the big
Okay.
one?
Bluegill?
Yeah.
Freaking bluegill.
No, we got the
You bluegill have
spines.
spines.
Yes, they have spines.
Want to dump more water out?
Nope.
You want me to go down
Oh
there
my
and get
gosh.
some?
Okay, buddy. No.
Is that the...
Ow. The bucket got me. The
You
bucket
want me
kinda
to get the fish out?
No.
You gotta use 2 hands and trap them.
Yeah, okay, Dr. Genius.
Oh.
2 suckers! Woohoo!
I saw Larry.
Yeah. Yeah, that's...
If you guys don't know who Larry is, it's
He kept getting our bait when we
2
last
suckers,
fished.
1 creek chub.
Okay. Small bluegill.
Or not.
Yeah.
Here, let me hand.
Okay, creek chubs are easier to get.
Yeah. And you just
You
dropped
just
him.
face planted.
One
Just,
bluegill.
Yep.
buddy.
Those things are like little eels to you.
We got 2 creek chub,
Well, I had the
Two
Suckers.
and
one
one
bluegill.
so far.
Who caught the suckers?
Okay. I caught one and Ben caught one.
Is that my catfish?
No.
Oh no, creek chub.
These creek chubs are slimy.
They're like eels.
Ben, language.
All right, we got 3 creek chub. Let's dump some more water out.
Can we?
Okay,
Oh, there's a
bluegill.
good-sized bluegill. Like,
Yeah.
That's a massive bluegill.
No, they can get way bigger.
So bluegill here.
Yep.
I think that was the one that I caught.
That's 2 bluegill.
The tiny little bluegill.
Ah! I want to switch.
Where the frick is Larry? Oh, there's Larry.
Ah,
Oh
you
my
got me in
god.
your damn spot.
Larry.
Raccoon.
Okay.
That's 3 bluegill.
4 bluegill.
2 creek chubs. There's Larry.
And if you guys are wondering why we are bringing the fish,
Can I get Larry out?
Yeah.
Because he's my fishy.
If you guys are wondering why we are bringing the fish to this pond, it's because this pond didn't have any. Let me dry my hands off. This pond didn't have any fish
How
in
many
it.
bluegills that?
4, 5.
5?
And then let me get to my Larry.
And then here's the baby catfish.
Is that a flathead or a...
I don't know.
I think that's flathead.
Yeah,
Is he?
flathead channel.
He kind of looks like
Yeah.
a bowfin though.
No, he's not a bowfin. Bowfin
Yeah, I
don't
know,
have this
but-
fin.
Larry,
Okay. Well, our pond officially, I guess,
And
more
we
of my
have
pond.
one.
We have
Okay.
chub
Did you
on
guys
that
keep
pond.
count here?
Yeah,
at
there's
least a dozen fish.
4
in
creek
here,
chub in here.
plus that one. That
Okay, so 5 creek
No,
chub.
I'm counting the one we put in.
Okay, so 4 creek chub,
4 creek chub, 5 bluegill,
9,
Larry,
10,
and then the 2 suckers.
12.
Yeah,
Wow.
so a dozen.
So we have a dozen fish in this pond now. Now we need about.
Well, we don't know if there's only a dozen.
I think there's more. Just because that in that one video. Now you guys might be a little bit confused from what I'm saying about in that one video. We were gonna make a video. I think it was 2 days before this about us fishing, and we only ended up catching 1 fish. So, and then I was just gonna throw it on the beginning of this video, but right now I think we're running at like 27 minutes of a video, and or 27 and a half minutes right now while I'm editing, and I couldn't throw that in, but we caught a creek chub, so there's 1 extra creek chub, so there's actually 12 fish in this pond now. That's what we think of. Now in that video, I could have sworn I saw a fish. It could have just been a frog. It was either a frog or a fish. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next